Today's businesses operate in a continuously changing world where volatility, uncertainty, and complexity constantly challenge business performance. Successful businesses navigate these challenges by evolving their business practices towards making optimized, value-based decisions. But with capital-intensive industries spending billions of capital dollars each year to sustain, maintain, and grow their businesses, the decision-making process to select the right mix of projects that drives value is complex. Businesses need to find smarter, data-driven ways to make better capital allocation decisions. Research has shown capital-intensive businesses experience the same common problem, that capital project portfolios are suboptimal, which reduces business value. So welcome to Horizon, the project portfolio software that solves the capital allocation problem by integrating 4 core pillars of value management, risk management, portfolio optimization, and portfolio management to collectively deliver optimized, value-based capital allocation decisions. With Horizon, the power is now in your hands, so expand your view.
We have created a series of free explainer videos to demonstrate the purpose of the 4 pillars and how they integrate to deliver the core value-creating functionality of Horizon. This is the first video in this series in which we will demonstrate the purpose of the value and risk management pillars and why a value network approach is critical to creating truly optimized capital project portfolios. All capital business decisions are made to generate value whilst understanding the associated risks of achieving the desired outcome. Therefore, capital processes and decisions at all levels must be aligned to the agreed enterprise strategy, objectives, and risk profile. So in this context, value and risk are 2 sides of the same coin. But how does a business identify, capture, and analyze value and risk data to inform better allocation decision-making? Horizon uses a value network approach to create separate but connected financial and licensed to operate driver trees through which optimized capital allocation decisions are made. The power of this approach is threefold. First, this approach elevates the capital portfolio management process and decisions to C-suite level and connects those decisions to enterprise strategy, objectives, and risk profile. It achieves strategic alignment through setting portfolio categorization priorities. Second, this approach enables data-driven decisions by assigning specific attributes to any value node in the network to identify and visualize the performance gap between current and desired state across the business. Third, this approach allows scenarios and sensitivities to be built where optimized capital portfolios can be stress tested against the value network to determine if performance gaps will be closed as justified by business cases of the individual projects within the portfolio. Now let's move to the detailed demo. In this demo, we will be looking at value driver trees used for managing value and risk. The main value driver tree is split into 2 main nodes, which are economic value or financial and license to operate. Each of these nodes can be expanded to display the child nodes which affect the value of its parent node. We can select the level of nodes, and we can zoom in and drag and drop to view various nodes. We can edit nodes by modifying its names or going to Advanced tab and changing the attributes, such as maximum display value, metric increments, its priority, the values such as baseline, plan, stretch, plan, and actual, its units of measurement and metric. We can define whether it's a risk category. We can set its variances, both absolute and in percentage terms. And we can change the object permissions. The node type can be modified here as well. When we're running a scenario, whether the value of the node will be calculated based on a formula, whether it's going to be a fixed value throughout the scenario iterations, whether it will get its value from a base table, or whether we can use a distribution.